Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
4.5 Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. A letter of thanks. Home for the Aged, East Street, Girgaon, 4, 10th January 2018. 2. The Principal, New Vision High School, off Main Street, Girgaon, 1. Dear Ms. Ambekar, it was the first time that school children had come to help at our home for the aged on 5th January, and I'm glad to inform you that their visit was a great success. The children carried out all the tasks we had planned for them. They did them willingly and obediently. And, of course, our residents enjoyed the storytelling sessions quite as much as the students did. Session is a formal meeting. In fact, we were wondering whether we could have a few of your students visiting us every month. You can imagine how much our residents enjoyed having young visitors. It brightened up the whole week for them. And I must admit that the helping hands really lightened some of our work. Brightened means filled someone with happiness. Admit means accept. Lightened means made less difficult. With warm regards, yours sincerely, Kiran Somalwar, Secretary, Home for the Aged. In the Principal's office. Principal: Yes, Mr. Bendre, you wanted to see me about something? Mr. Bendre: Yes, madam. I've come to say how much we appreciate the good work that the school is doing under SEHH. Appreciate means to recognize or understand that something is valuable or important. Principal: Oh, thank you. Our teachers were keen on the program because they were sure that it would help the children. Mr. Bendre: And I can tell you that it has really made a difference. My son and his cousin both study in the school. I have been following their activities throughout the year. I'm really impressed with the changes in their thinking and even their behavior. Impressed means felt admiration or respect. Principal: I'm glad you feel that way. Mr. Bendre: I think the parents will all thank you for paying attention to this aspect of personality development. I want to congratulate you, especially at the next Parent-Teacher Association meeting. Aspect: one part of situation. Principal: Thank you so much. B. Giving thanks personally. English workshop. 1. Study the following format of an informal letter carefully. Using the format: A. Write an informal letter to your friend who has gone to another town for a month. B. Write a personal letter of thanks to an elder person. Place, date, main body or text of the letter, sender's name as known to the receiver. My dear or dear. With warm regards, yours. P.S. Postscript, extra matter added after writing the letter. This part is optional. Answer: An informal letter is as follows. A. To your friend who has gone to another town for a month. 15. Villa Prakash, Girgaon, Mumbai, 400004. 15th November 2017. My dear Kiran, it's been only 3 days since you've gone and I'm already missing you. 1 month without you is going to be terribly boring. I do go out with the others to play, but it's not the same. How are you doing there? You must be enjoying yourself with all your cousins. Kolhapur is a nice place and there are many things to see there. Your aunt must be preparing the best of dishes for you. Do write to me as soon as you get the time. I'd really enjoy reading a letter from you. Meanwhile, enjoy yourself. Your loving friend, XYZ. B. A personal letter of thanks to an elder person. Answer: 15 Villa Prakash, Girgaon, Mumbai 400004. 15th November 2017. Dear Uncle Sathe, I wish to thank you for helping us out when Mummy was not well. You happened to pass by when Mummy took ill and I was alone with her. I really did not know what to do. You saw me and asked me what was wrong. Then you took over and arranged for an ambulance to take her to hospital. Not only that, you stayed all night until the doctor said she was out of danger. You also telephoned my father to tell him what had happened. How can I ever thank you for your great kindness? Not everyone is so generous of heart. We shall never forget you as long as we live, and you will always be in our prayers. Do visit us whenever you can. Yours gratefully, XYZ. 2. Form a group of 4 to 6. As a group activity, write a conversation in which a person or group of persons thanks someone. Answer: a conversation in which a person or group of persons thanks someone is as follows. Mohan: Hello Ankush. As you can see, I'm fit and fine today. Ankush: Yes, I'm glad to see that. Girish: If it were not for you, Ankush, our picnic to the riverside might have ended in tragedy. Mohan: Yes, I might have died. I owe my life to you, Ankush. Ankush: Oh, it was nothing. It's just that I can swim well. Sheila: Yes, but everyone is not so brave as you. If you had not dived into the water when Mohan was drowning and pulled him out by the hair, I don't know what would have happened. Ankush: Well, there was no one else around. I had to do it. Vaman: You're being very modest. All of us wish to thank you, Ankush. You were not only a true friend, but also a lifesaver. Mohan: Yes, Ankush, I will never forget what you have done for me all the days of my life.